Hey all, this is Michael, the VL Chief. I am coming from you here today. We are going to Jurassic Quest. This is a traveling event with some audio animatronic dinosaurs, so we're going to see what this is all about and take a few pictures and take you along for the journey. There it is. Now I don't know what's scarier, the dinosaurs, the gun show, or the bridal showcase. Kind of a toss-up. That guy's very impressive. You see, this is the type of thing I really love. He is an Albertosaurus sarcophagus. Parasaurolophus. I could keep him as a pet. Don't you think? He'd make a great pet. I think he would. I really do. Don't you, pal? Huh, yeah. The neighbors probably might complain. This is the Ankylosaurus. I don't know how much you can tell. It's moving. Some furry dinosaurs. Uh-oh, the light's getting dramatic. Very large dinosaur who's not moving. As always, they have to remind us not to touch the dinosaurs. Judging by his teeth, I don't think that's going to be something to do today. What do you think, Mr. Triceratops? Very deep thought there. You're absolutely right. Looks like he's the predecessor of the Bumble. Look at these two mighty dinosaurs. Watching over that sleeping dinosaur. They're so nice. I think that one's a little slack-jawed. Very about the lighting. That one looks like he's about to plan something conniving. These are giant, majestic audio animatronics. Very beautiful. Those over there are dinosaurs that your kids can get on and take a picture of. Everybody's favorite, the Triceratops and the Tyrannosaurus Rex. Get a wider angle. But as mighty as he is, small arms and a huge head and small arms. This guy right here is the mighty Carnotaurus. He's also found in Florida at the end of Dinosaur Ride. Spinosaurus, the star of the unpopular Jurassic Park 3. My favorite thing is these tails. They're just literally whipping over the crowd.
Welcome to Jurassic Quest! My name is Kendra, and this is my partner Regan, and we are dinosaur trainers here at Jurassic Quest. It seems that you guys are here to meet our walking dinosaurs, is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright, well Regan can tell you their names and a couple of things about them. Okay. Go ahead, Regan.
Okay, today we have two dinosaurs back there. One, Comet, the Herrerasaurus, and Venus, the Dilophosaurus. Okay, now these guys want to get up close and personal with you guys. Okay, when they do come up close, I want you guys to be very careful with these guys. Please do not pull on the head, tail, or hands. They're very sensitive and they might bite you guys. Is that okay?
Okay.
That's not loud enough. Is that okay?
Okay.
Good.
Alright, so a couple things to know about these walking dinosaurs. They can't see things very well, alright? But that means that they have very good ears. So if you want these big old gentle giants to come to you guys, you gotta be the loudest one in the room. So who's that gonna be today? Alright, so let's remind you guys of their names. One of them's name is Comet. Can you guys say Comet? And our other dinosaur's name is Venus. Can you say Venus? Are you guys ready to meet them now? Alright. So, why don't you guys let them know you're here? On the count of 3, could you guys give us a loud dinosaur roar? What do you think? Let's try it. 1, 2! Again, please don't pull on the head, the hands, or the tail. And it looks like we got another dinosaur waiting for you guys, so let's get her out here. Come on, Venus, let's meet our friend.
And this is the Dilophosaurus. Now say
As a reminder, everybody, these are our walking dinosaurs. Even though they look big, they will not hurt you guys. But please help us take care of them. Don't pull on them, but you can pet them. Be as gentle as you can be. Treat them like giant puppies, if you will. And in the meantime, I'm going to get some music on because our dinosaurs actually love to dance.
Remember, be careful, you're not pulling these guys' hands or hands. Be careful.
And of course we have cool picture ops right over here. Sorry about that last clip, those kids were pretty excited. As you can see, a really cool little show. I think you should come out here and definitely see it, or if it rolls through your town. It is Jurassic Quest. Of course, no major event would be complete without a trip to the gift shop. Ooh. Looks like you can get some actual fossils. Those are probably genuine. For that price, they better be. Oh, slap watch. For those who remember slap bracelets. And here's the soft, lovable kind. $10 for this. It's actually not a bad price. Oh, a woolly mammoth. It's kind of an interesting one. Look at that! An Italian dinosaur! How do they know he's Italian? Well, that's going to do it today. As you can see, this was a lot of fun. If it rolls through your town, I would definitely recommend going. I'm sorry about the audio. I did not realize how loud it would be in there. Thousands of screaming kids. But yeah, if you're new here, subscribe, click that notification bell. I will leave links to Jurassic Quest down in the show notes. And as always, insert a cool ending catchphrase.